Okay, in this video I'm showing my EDC. Here I have my belt knife that I made, and it's got two fire starters in holes in the handle. I have my Benchmade, a Sharpie marker, my Write in the Rain notebook, a Wazoo bandana, tracking bandana, my keychain. This carabiner up here has a bottle opener inside of it, and then I have this paracord which I could use if I had to, my Swiss Army knife, a big safety clip, some plastic rope from the Grimm cordage maker, a ferro rod, a mini Bic lighter wrapped in paracord, a Grimm spoon lure, a Grimm can opener, and a Grimm mini fishing kit with small hooks and weights and line wrapped around it. I also have a slingshot, and this one has a whistle in the handle. A Bic lighter with paracord wrapped around it. Some Velcro that I don't always carry, but I'm gonna use it later to repair my Wazoo hat. A jack bag of slingshot ammunition. My multi-tool. Sorry, I have a big band-aid on my finger and can't reach it into the pocket. Another slingshot. Normally I carry that slingshot, not the other one, but I'm switching the bands on them, so that's why I have two today. Alright, here's my Grimm wallet. On the outside here, I have my Bandit. I have the credit card size cordage maker. And then here's the main wallet. Starting out, I have the Callie Russell signature card, the Bushcraft Kelso signature card, Fowler's custom signature card, some sandpaper, another sharpening card, some fire starters, and the Bushcraft card. I also have this tiny little credit card size Write in the Rain notebook, which I absolutely love. It's really cool. And they cost almost nothing on Grimm's website. Definitely go check them out. A small pencil wrapped in electrical tape. I have a small roll of duct tape. Some ibuprofen because my knee's hurting right now. Carpenter pencil. A scalpel blade that I'm going to move to my Wazoo hat, but it was just in my pocket right now. It's wrapped in duct tape so it doesn't cut me. Alright, my wallet. Obviously I have my card and my money and business cards and stuff in there, but I keep my used Grimm cards in there. This is the used Kelso card that pieces are falling out of. Some sharpening cards. Some tip cards. I have a lot of tip cards because they send you 2 in your monthly subscription. Definitely go check it out. More tip cards. I have a Bushcraft card with no blade because I put a handle on it. A Grimm business card with some fishing line on it. It's a reusable spool business card. I have a youth group invite card. Another Grimm business card and 2 more of these spool cards. Spool business cards. I have a ceramic razor blade that I need to move to my Wazoo hat. I don't know why that was in my wallet. I also have this little sparker wheel that also is going to go to my hat. I have this piece of a Nicholson file that has been rounded off, and it's my scraper and flint and steel striker, and there's a little bit of file space for sharpening. I have my Wazoo survival gear necklace, my fire starter necklace. My Grim Workshop Everyday Carry t-shirt, which has pockets in both of the sleeves, and in one sleeve I have a lock-picking card, and in the other sleeve I have a tweezer card, and this card not only has multiple sets of tweezers, but also has saws and files on some of the tweezers. It's great. The bottom part of this shirt also has pockets in the bottom. Here's my Wazoo belt. And inside of my Velcro belt here, might take me a minute to get it out, but I have a pack of all my blades and hooks so that they don't cut through my belt. There's a zip tie. A small knife. Alright, I'm going to pull out all these different sizes and lengths of rope and zip ties. That's a little bit of fire starter. A small bag of fishing equipment with some hooks and weights and jigs. And a fire plug. And that's about all of it, I think. Jeez, look at that mess. I use it all, though. Almost forgot about my Wazoo hat. Like I said, I moved this little ceramic razor blade to it. I have this little sparker wheel I moved over to my hat. This is a little bit of friction tape. Here's a small piece of fire starter, a Band-Aid, a cotton disc, and some duct tape. Also in my phone case, I have a sanitized blade and a handcuff shim, homemade handcuff shim, and this is a shim for a bigger lock. Thanks for watching me dump all this mess out of my pockets. Stick around and please consider subscribing.